Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to go ahead and transfer money from Depop to Cash App. First things first, you want to go ahead and withdraw Depop earnings to PayPal or your bank account because Depop sends payments through PayPal if your account is connected. And if you've linked a bank account instead, earnings will go directly to your bank. So to withdraw from Depop, open up the Depop app, go to Selling Hub, then go ahead and click on Payments. And if you're using PayPal, open up your PayPal account and transfer the balance to your linked bank account. Okay, and if you're using direct deposit, you can go ahead and skip this, and then you can go ahead and transfer money from your PayPal to your bank, right? So in your PayPal account, tap the transfer money option and then click on transfer to your bank. Then just select the same bank account you'll be using for Cash App. I want you to go ahead and use instant transfer. There's a small fees here, or if you want, you can use standard transfer. There's 1 to 3 business days, and then just link your bank to Cash App. Okay, go ahead and do that. So open up Cash App, tap on the banking tab. Okay, the icon, the bank icon. Select linked accounts and choose add a bank. Okay, now enter the same bank details you used for your PayPal transfer. And if your bank is already linked, you can go ahead and skip this. And then what you want to do is you want to transfer funds to Cash App, right? So once your money arrives in your bank account, open up Cash App, tap Add Cash, enter the amount, and select your link bank account. Confirm the transfer and the money will appear in Cash App instantly or within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your method. And this is an alternative. What you can do is you can use PayPal Cash Card or debit card to transfer to Cash App, right? If you don't want to wait for a bank transfer, you can use PayPal debit card. Just add your PayPal Cash Card to Cash App as a linked debit card. Then just transfer money from PayPal directly to Cash App without needing a bank account. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.